Assalamu alaikum. I'm MD Nasiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Chiribondor Model Government Primary School, Chiribondor, Dinaspur. Welcome back to my channel Ghore Bose Shikhi, Page Chiribondor Online School. Hello my dear students of Class 4. How are you all? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah, right? And passing your time. How? Passing your time playing, gossiping, watching TV, watching cartoons on TV, right? Yeah. Good. My dear students, in my previous class, what I discussed, can you remember it? Yes. In my last class, I discussed about Shagor's week. That means Shagor's routine, daily routine, right? Well, my dear students, in my last class, I discussed Shagor gets up early in the morning at 6 o'clock, right? Then he says his prayers. After prayers, he goes to his grandfather, right, to complete his lesson. There he studies Bangla, English, right? Shagor and his sister Kea have breakfast at 8 o'clock, right? After breakfast, Shagor get dressed and leaves for school at 9 o'clock, right? Because his school starts at 10 o'clock, right? In the evening, Shagor does his homework, right? He loves Bangla. It's his favorite subject. It's his favorite subject. Got it? Very good. My dear students, it was our last class, right? Well, my dear students, now open your book at page 32. Have you opened? Good. Now look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Now think alone about the pictures. Okay, stop thinking. Now tell me what about the pictures, sir? In your last class, we came to know that the first picture is Shagor and his grandfather's picture, right? Shagor is reading a book to his grandfather, right? And in the second picture, we see Shagor, Kea, and their cousins are playing in the park, right? Very good. Well, my dear students, I will give you a short brief of today's lesson, okay? Please be attentive, okay? After completing his homework, Shagor goes to his grandparents, okay, and spent their much time. They have dinner at 9 o'clock. Shagor goes to bed at 10 p.m. Right? On weekends, Shagor visits his uncle and aunt in the afternoon. Okay? Shagor and Kea play in the park with their cousins, right? In the evening, he watches TV or read stories to Kea. Okay? At night, he goes to bed at 11 p.m. Got it? Very good. Well, my dear students, before reading the passage, we will learn some new words from the passage, okay? Then the passage will be very easy to you. Got it? So please have a look on the board. Now we will learn some new words, okay? Grandparents. Grandparents means yes, dada dadi. Dinner. Dinner means right. রাতের খাবার. Very good. Thank you. Visit. Visit means বেড়াতে যাওয়া. Very good. With. With means what? With means সাথে. Absolutely right. Thank you. Cousin. Cousin means চাচাতো, মামাতো, খালাতো, ভাই বা বোন, right? Good. You were right. Thank you. Sit down. Again. Grandparents means dada dadi, right? Dinner means what? রাতের খাবার. Very good, very good. Thank you. Visit means বেড়াতে যাওয়া. Good. With means right, সাথে. Good. Cousin means চাচাতো, খালাতো, মামাতো, ভাই বা বোন. Absolutely right. Thank you. Sit down. Thank you. Well, do you have any problem here? No problem. Very good. Now, my dear students, I will read the passage, okay? 1 or 2 times, and you just hear and follow me, okay? Please have a patience, okay? And be attentive. Again. After he does his homework, Shagor spends time with his grandparents, okay? He and his family have dinner at 9 p.m. Then he goes to bed at 10 p.m. On weekends, Shagor visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. He and Kea play in the park with their cousins. In the evening, he watches TV or reads stories to Kea. At night, he goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Got it? Very good. Again. After he does his homework, Shagor spends time with his grandparents, okay? He and his family have dinner at 9 p.m. Then he goes to bed at 10 p.m. On weekends, Shagor visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. He and Kea play in the park with their cousins, okay? In the evening, he watches TV or reads stories to Kea. At night, he goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Got it? Do you have any problem? Well, my dear students, please have a look on the board. Please have a look on the board. And you have to find out which sentence is true and which sentence is false, okay? Please write down the sentences on your khata. Please write down these sentences on your khata or notebook, okay? Have you finished writing? Okay, stop. Now tell me, Sagar spends time with his grandparents. Is the sentence true or false? Tell me. True. Absolutely right. On weekends, Sagar does not visit his aunt and uncle. True or false? Tell me. False. Right. Thank you. Sagar and Kia play in the park. True or false? True. Thanks. Thanks a lot. In the evening, Sagar watches TV. In the evening, Sagar watches TV. True or false? True. Thank you. And last number. Sagar goes to bed at 12 o'clock. True or false? False. It's good. Thank you. Do you have any problem here, my dear students? No problem. Very good. Well, my dear students, now look at the whiteboard, okay, and write the answer of these three questions, okay? Write the answer of these three questions on your khata or notebook, okay? Please start writing the answer of these three questions. Have you finished writing? Very good. Now, tell me, first question. When does Sagar visit his aunt and uncle? When does Sagar visit his aunt and uncle? Those who finished writing, please raise your hand. Please tell me. Yes, absolutely right. Sagar visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. Thank you. Sit down. Next question. Who play in the park? Who play in the park? Yes. Sagar and Kia play in the park. Very good. And the last question. What does Sagar do in the evening? What does Sagar do in the evening? Tell me. Yes, in the evening, Sagar watches TV or reads stories to Kia. Very good. Thank you. Good. Do you have any problem? No problem. Well, my dear students, now write down your homework, please. Again, have a look on the board. Write down your homework. What can you see? Write 5 sentences about your weekends. Okay? Write 5 sentences about your weekends. ছুটির দিনগুলোতে কি করো না করো এই সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য লিখতে হবে তোমাদেরকে। ওকে? Very good. Have you finished writing? Okay, thank you. Well, my dear students, My time is up. You have to complete your homework, okay? And tomorrow I will check your homework. Right? Very good. My time is up. I have to leave now. Read the pages again and again, okay? The word meanings, sentences, true, false, questions, anywhere. If you find any problem, just inform me, okay? I will discuss in details in my next class, okay? I will come back again with another class. Till then, tata, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.